Good morning! This is exciting because I have a package that arrived from a dear new friend. From a fellow YouTuber, a fellow cat mama. I decided to make this video separate from the vlog because this deserves its own video. So, first of all, I do want to say thank you, Michelle, for thinking of me and sending me magic. I think that she did say that this is a birthday gift, and she mentioned there was more gifts, so Michelle is also a YouTuber. She is a Danish YouTuber, so if you are Danish or if you understand Danish, click up here. I am preparing to send her some magic, so if you want to see what I am sending her when the bips and bops arrive, go to the link. But the first thing I paid attention to was the paws. The cat paws, of course there's cat paws on it. First I was confused because I was like, did I order something from Moon that I don't remember? Until I saw the name, I was like, oh my god! You're going to see my reaction in the vlog because I am just wildly excited. But I am carefully opening the box. This feels like Christmas. Well, kind of, right? It's my birthday Christmas moment. And Michelle is... well, it makes sense that her YouTube name is Michelle Makes Magic because she is a magical person. And she's always watching my... well, both my channels, my vlogs, my tarot readings. She's always commenting. I mean, hello. It means so much, Michelle. And I can't wait to meet you in real life. Okay. I see something white. Ah! Ah! Okay. I like that it's like no one. To the birthday queen. Oh, I love this. You can feel that I'm getting emotional. Oh no, I just put makeup on. I haven't even opened this. Do I dare to read this to my soul sister? Oh no, Michelle. Okay. This is too early. I don't have any tissues. I might need that. Wait, I have my... by the way... oh, well, there you go. There is a tear running. Just because you see a suitcase doesn't mean that I'm going on a travel. It's because that I used the little suitcase for... what you call that? The pregnancy dresses and stuff like that, and I did do a magical pregnancy shoot yesterday. Halloween shoot. She's also a YouTuber, by the way. I'm surrounded by YouTubers and I love it. Okay, well, the only thing I found was this. I think I survived. Well, luckily I don't have any clients today, customers. Okay, the letter is the first. Happy birthday to you. Look at this. Is it a goose? What is it? I'm just like a child. I love it. Aww. Aww. I don't know. Well, it is in Danish. I'm just going to read it. There's also something for Moon. Oh, yes, you are my soul sister. Oh, I love you, girl. The handwriting, I love it. For some reason, it reminds me of... it reminds me of like runes. I like this. Is like insert birthday song and confetti here. Oh, I love it. I will treasure the letter. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm nervous. It's so beautiful wrapped. This gives me inspiration for your package. Okay, so what are we starting out with? Well, first of all, look at this. Where the hell do you find stuff like this? With cats on it. It's so beautiful. You know what? I know that Moon is going to give Magnus, Michelle's cat, and damn, now I can't remember the other name of the cat. My god, me and names. It's on my tongue, it's on the tip of my tongue. Wow. Well, Moon wants to give the fur babies a gift, so this might be wrapped in, be used for wrapping. For that, I cannot speak. Okay. Oh, this is for Moon. You know what? We're going to surprise Moon with this. Oh, to Moon from, yes, Maggie and Magnus. Maggie was the name. Look at this. Ah, I love this. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna open and then we're going to surprise Moon because Moon is sleeping. Of course Moon is sleeping. What else? Because I think there's snacks in it and Moon is going to get rap-a-da-dam-dam when she sees that. What is this magic? Kong active. Oh my god, I love it. She's going to love this. And this is such a queen color. Aww. I mean, I wonder what it is. First I was like, is it a cork thing? You know, the thing you put in wine? Love it. Ah, Moon's favorite. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm like a child and it's not even for me. Just wait until we show Moon it. We have something here. By the way, this is absolutely cute. Where do you find this, Michelle? I will keep it. A little Halloween gift. A little Halloween gift to the Halloween child. You know what? I know that my birthday is not until 2 days, but I feel it. I feel it. I absolutely feel like a birthday child. Ah! Is this a ghost? Scissor? Oh my god. I need to get my Halloween decorations up. Look at the little boo candle. Oh my god. It smells like a ghost. A black ghost? Is this a white ghost? Well, you guys are going to see these in the readings. It is a white ghost. Smells like a white ghost. There's no smell to it, but you know, that's ghosts, right? I love it. Oh my god. And then to the birthday queen. Michelle, you're absolutely a gift magician. Wow, that was a word. A gift magician. I don't want to destroy this. Oh, but I have to. What is this? Okay. Ah, it's a cup. It's a mug. Get your witchy on. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna cry again. Oh no, Michelle, you are making me cry on the YouTube. Look at this. Oh my god. It's Mean Moon. Oh. Anyway. Oh my god, it even looks like Moon. Oh god, Michelle. Is this, you know what's so funny? Like what I'm wearing here and what I'm wearing today. My makeup is ruined and I don't even mind it. Oh, I love this. Thank you, Queen. How the hell did you do this? You know, I would love to take Moon to a cemetery. I love that Moon has a hat on. Oh no. Okay, thank you. Sorry that I'm crying. I promise it's because I'm happy. So, this was all the beautiful gifts. And I'm gonna put the next clip in here. Now that we're going to surprise Moon. We are on the way. She's still sleeping. It's a good angle for me. Oh, Moon. Oh, just wait. Just wait. I have things for you, Moon Moon. She's like, I heard something. First of all, look. Was that a thank you? Do you want snacks? You guys can't see anything. I'm so sorry. This is bad camera work. Oh, this is perfect. Look at that. Too tired to move, but too excited to. Look! That is from Michelle. It's from Maggie and Magnus. Well, now she's excited. And and look, Mona. You cannot eat it. Oh, look. Is she cleaning it? She's cleaning it or something. Moon says thank you. Oh, Moon is sleeping with it. Oh my god. Was it good snacks? More snacks. More snacks for Moon. He's like, where are they? Well, this is a thank you for Moon. She absolutely loves it, Michelle. Thank you, Magnus and Maggie. There is a gift coming you guys' way from Moon Moon. Moon Moon, now you know. You have to make a good job with gifts, okay? Oh, there was actually one more. She's not even crunching them. She's just like... Do you want to taste the other ones? Oh my god, you're a lucky kitty cat today. The salmon ones. She's like, yeah. Oh god, Moon. This is not your daily magic, okay? Ooh, these smell good. She's in food heaven. That's it. That's it. Thank you. But I just want to say thank you, Michelle, for this. I'm just here crying my ass off and my makeup off. This means so much. It's so thoughtful and I love it so deeply. And thank you from Moon Moon. And I'm gonna text you now. I'm gonna send you a crying voice memo. And I will talk to you soon. And thank you guys for watching. By the way, for people who asked, and I have also made a post about this, if you wanna send me something for my birthday, I do not have a PO box, but I do have an Amazon wishlist. So if you wanna gift me something, you can buy something there. Thank you! See you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, let's go surprise moon.